Black seed oil has potential as an anti-diabetic treatment for type 1 and type 2 diabetes, improving blood sugar levels and reducing insulin resistance, and potentially increasing insulin production and activity. Black seed oil has antimicrobial properties, effectively combating harmful bacteria like gram-positive and methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, which are difficult to treat due to antibiotic resistance. Black seed oil's anti-inflammatory properties may prevent colitis, pancreatitis, and stomach ulcers by alleviating symptoms like indigestion, nausea, and abdominal distension, and combating H. pylori bacteria. Black seed oil, rich in thymoquinone, is an antioxidant that combats free radicals, which damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer, and is being researched for potential cancer treatment. Black seed oil's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and support the immune system in combating harmful bacteria and viruses. Black seed oil, a key component of thymoquinone, has been found to improve sperm movement, increase sperm count, and increase semen volume in men with abnormal sperm and infertility. Black seed oil can alleviate mild rhinitis allergy symptoms, but its effectiveness may vary depending on the severity of the allergy. Black seed oil treatment significantly reduced symptoms of allergic rhinitis in the first 2 weeks of treatment. Black seed oil stabilizes blood sugar levels, enhances insulin control, and lowers blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes patients, reducing future complications and improving glycemic status and lipid profile. Black seed oil's antioxidant properties protect liver and kidneys from oxidative stress, thymoquinone, and kidney problems, expediting liver healing in individuals with poor liver function due to medication side effects or disease. Black seed supplements, particularly those for women, can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol, potentially aiding weight loss. Black seed oil and extract from Nigella sativa also have anti-diabetic effects. Black seed oil has been found to potentially prevent metabolic syndrome, a condition linked to heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes by reducing blood pressure, cholesterol, and fasting blood sugar. Black seed oil's anti-inflammatory properties have been shown to reduce inflammation, alleviate asthma, prevent gastrointestinal disorders, and potentially help with neuroinflammation, potentially reducing the risk of chronic conditions. Black seed oil has been found to possess antifungal properties, potentially slowing or stopping fungi growth, making it potentially as effective as the commonly used medication Ambisome. Black seed supplementation can help manage obesity and metabolic disorders by regulating blood sugar, reducing cravings, and promoting fullness when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Black cumin seed oil, rich in beta-caryophyllene, aids the endocannabinoid system, maintaining health in various organs through its interaction with the CB2 cannabinoid receptor.